Hello everyone! So today I'm going to be making caldo de chile, which is one of my favorite dishes. And let me show you how I make it. So the recipe calls for chile Anaheim, 4 garlic really chopped up really fine, onion, this is 1 whole onion cut up, queso fresco, and we're going to be using cream cheese. So right now what we're going to do, because I'm going to show you the process. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these chilies and we're going to burn them on the stove, and so that we can peel the skin off. When the chilies are done roasting, we're going to put them in a bag and we're going to let them sweat so we can peel off the skin. And let it sweat, just like that. Okay, so they're done sweating. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take them out the bag and we're going to start peeling off the skin so that I can cut them up. Here we go. And if it all doesn't come off, it's not a big deal. This makes it easier when you let it in the bag, when you leave it in the bag and you let it sweat. Okay. So depending on how much you want to make is the amount of chilies you're going to add. And I already have some already ready to go, but I wanted to show you how to do it. Cut them open. I take out the seeds. If you leave a couple of seeds there, it's okay. It's not a big deal. Now I'm going to show you how to cut them. We just stack them, we just stack them all together. You just cut them like this. So now we're going to saute the onions and the garlic and prepare. So now we're going to add the chilies. Okay, now we're going to add some salt. So this is salt. 1, 2, and I'm going to say 3 teaspoons. We're going to add water. Oh, this is a big pot, so we're going to add more. Okay. That should be enough. Okay, so we're going to let that come to a boil. And then when it comes to a boil, then we'll add the cheese. Okay, so it's boiling now. The soup's boiling. We're going to add cream cheese to give it that cheesy taste. Queso fresco.
Why?
And mix it in there. Trying to get the cheese too. It's all done, and I'm gonna do a taste test. And so here we go, making some chili and some cheese. Super hot. So there it is, guys. This is my recipe, and if try it out, you might just like it. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.